happening, man? I'm on Kidnapping Fix It Chick channel today. Man, today we're gonna be working on 2007 Chevy. What it is? I guess it's a Silverado. I'm doing the starter on it. Yes, sir. So y'all come along, man. I'm already hot out here, boy. I tell you, these folks in the country, boy, got me hot. You did. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man, and check out this video. You did. So what we doing is I had to come. Always remember to remove your battery terminal when you're working on the starter. The starter sits on the passenger side of the truck. I'm about to go on and get it jacked up and set up, and I'll see y'all at the bottom. You dig? The battery, this is a 10, so I'll see y'all at the bottom. Okay, y'all. The starter's right there. That sucker gunked up. They look like some 14, so I'm gonna try to get it taken out. That sucker gunked up, y'all. That is gunked up. It's 2 bolts holding that starter up. It's 2 bolts. You got 1, and then you got 2 right there. So let me see, can I get it? And then you got them wires right there. So let me see, can I get these stuff down real quick? Okay, y'all. These bolts are 14. So see, can we bust them down? Give me a second. I did bring my power tool, but we're gonna hit it with this first. Maybe I'm gonna have to get you some more gloves to wash these, because I can. They 14, y'all. Pop them 2. Yeah. Get my way. That's 1. That's 2. Ooh, I'm gonna hit my phone, y'all. 2 bolts, they 14. We're gonna stick them right there. And it seems like it's a little. Ooh. Yep, she's a gunker. She is a gunker. Yeah, I might have to come get y'all when I get this started down, because it's so gunked up on me. Let's sit it right here, y'all, so I can get these bolts. So that's an 8, and that look like a 12. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, them the screws. Y'all can't see them. It's a little signal wire and the power wire. Let me see, can I get it off? Let me get the red wire off first. That screw is on, you hear me? Y'all hear me? That screw. First, what you want to do is move that wire. This the signal wire. And the signal wire is when he turned the key on and try to crank it, the signal to the starter. And the other one's the 13, y'all. Had to go get my 13. Had to go get my 13. Y'all. Got it. There she go. There you go, y'all. The regular starter. Okay, we got the new starter. Make sure everything. Yep, everything. So let's put it back up. Okay, I got the starter sitting back up in there. Let's put these wires back on. Give me a second, y'all. That's one. That's the hot water. I'll socket it, y'all. Got it. Make sure. We got the wire back on. Let me show you. See, we got them back on. Bolted down. The little one is an 8. The big one is a 13. Let's take the starter back on now. Patience always wins the race. Patience always wins the race. So when I get these bolts in, I'll come back. Okay, I got the bolt started, so hang them up. Got it on one. That's two. Oh, there's a little hand time on. Don't trust them guns right here. Taking it off my crate, so. And there you have it. That's a good place to start her. And there it is, y'all. Starter's on. Wire it up. Let's crank it up. Now we put the battery cable back on, and I gotta jump the car off because the battery dead. That's a 10, y'all. We'll put these jumper cables on now. I'll be right back. What's say about this truck? It had a lot of oil down now, a lot of oil build up. So I hope it crank and the motor is still good. I want to say that because a lot of oil build up. Y'all seen the stall. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to it. That's how you replace the starter on the 07 Chevy Silverado. So let's hope it crank. We got it running, man. We got that sucker running. So she running. I like that, sound good. Yes, sir. Now y'all definitely gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Stop playing. Y'all see the Chevy. I love Chevy. Get it running. You do got a lot of oil leak. I'm out of here. Hey, fix it chick. I'm taking your page, girl.